Here guys, the most trending dance.
They'll teach you how to make or how to paint your own lantern. All the boats are already ready for the lantern festival. This lantern festival, look at the view how it is in the night time. So 20,000 per person, you have to click your own photo. If you are a shopping lover, do definitely visit. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today is day 6 of exploring Vietnam. Today we are going to Hoi An from Da Nang. We are on the way right now. We have booked the same cab which we have rented yesterday. It costed around 5,50,000, which is around 2,000 in Indian rupees.
Guys, the coconut village, the famous coconut village of on the way to Hoi An.
Here we are guys.
Where you from?
India.
Yeah,
We are from
number
India.
one.
Yeah, India number one. So many Indians comes here, I think. It took around 350,000 dong, which is around 1,000 rupees in Indian currency. We are going inside the coconut forest.
Here guys, the most trending dance.
This one is not included in the ticket or the price which you are going to pay. This is separate, and per person it is, they are saying around 200,000. One person?
One person, 100,000. Two people, 200.
No, only one person. Yes, here we are in the Hoi An. Our driver just dropped us here in the walking street and he left. So we are going to explore Hoi An whole day. We will be seeing the Lantern Festival, and after that we will be going back to Da Nang. That's the plan as of now. We don't know what to do next. This is really an ancient town. The houses, the buildings, everything looks from the ancient time. The thing is, Hoi An is a town, and the Hoi An ancient town is a place inside that Hoi An. So don't get confused if you are coming by bike. This one is a walking street. Maybe here the bikes are not allowed, but in the town you can park somewhere, or you can come here to explore the Hoi An ancient town, and then you can go back. That's what I understood after coming here. So if you are coming by yourself, search Hoi An ancient town. Don't search Hoi An, because it will show the city or the town which this Hoi An ancient town is located. Be careful with that. Let's see what is there more. We just had our lunch and it was fine. The hotel name is Baba something restaurant, but it's not too much good, but it's fine. One more information I got: if you are coming on your bike, previously I said that after 4 p.m. it's not allowed. In the walking street it's not allowed, but if you come your bike, you can park the bikes here. It's 5,000 VND is the price to keep your bikes here, and it's just in front of some temple. Maybe this one you can keep it as a landmark. If you can't walk around, you can rent the cycles as well. You can rent it out and you can explore the walking street. In the walking street, cycles are being allowed. So you can actually go take cycling and you can have a good experience with that as well. Here there is some ticket pricing, let me check.
우리만 타려고 하면은 17만 동으로 가는 거죠.
1인당 17만
They have two kinds of tickets. One is for 1 to 3 passengers per trip, it's 1,70,000, and for 4 to 5 passengers it's 2,20,000. Operating time have from 4 to 9:30 every day. 20 minutes of trip. All of this is for shopping. if you are coming to Vietnam, keep so much of bucks with you because it's going to cost hell if you are planning to do shopping here. I mean, the items are cheap, but the items are so cute to resist.
I think there is going to be some different pricing according to the boats. So before you book any ticket or before you board any boat, just get the information. The basic pricing I have shown you right now, it's just 170 for 1 to 3 people, and it's 220 for 4 to 5 people. With Vietnamese people, the maintenance of everything is so good. This many tourists are coming everyday basis, but I couldn't see a single plastic on the total river. It's very amusing. Like, it is very difficult to maintain this kind of rivers with this many tourists, but somehow they are maintaining it. And every day they are having the lantern festival every day. So having lantern festival every day and maintaining river this much is very unrealistic. For me, it is too good. It's very touristic, and if you go more inside the Hoi An, if you take a bike or if you go by walk, you will understand how much away from the city that place is. But still, the maintenance is so good. We'll see how the ancient town looks with all those lanterns on and all the boats roaming around on the river. I'm just waiting for it.
As the day progresses, the shops or stalls around the ancient town are increasing. I mean, all the shops are not there before. They are there, but around 4 to 5 shops are there. But now it's completely filled with stalls. And managing the language is very difficult here. You need to maintain. The thing works best here is Apple Translator. But if you don't have an iPhone, Google Translator works. You can manage with that.
One more activity which you can do after
Coming to Hoi An is lantern making. So that is one of the activity which you can get this side of the bridge. I didn't found that on the first when you enter the Hoi An, but after crossing the bridge, if you go to these streets, there are some lantern teaching classes where they'll teach you how to make or how to paint your own lantern. And one more thing is cooking class. Vietnamese cuisine and cooking class. So I'm assuming that I'm not going inside, but I'm assuming they are going to teach the Vietnamese cuisine. This one is the hotel. It's Enjeon Hoi An. There are so many clubs. There are so many massages and spas.
120. $1.
that one, the candle is 20. You want to keep candle on river?
Yeah, this one, Ning Ning, pray and wish. Lucky, happy. And boat? 170.
Huh?
32.
No.
Later.
It's okay.
How much you want?
I don't know. I am not the owner. She is the owner.
Wait. Okay, one more time. Help me please. 20 long.
2.
10,000 for one. 10, 20. Okay.
10, 20. Okay. Okay.
20, okay, here.
Thank you.
Okay, come here. Come here.
Okay.
Promise quickly, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, promise quickly.
Yeah, we promised you.
Okay, yes. I promise you we came there.
We promised her we will come to her, and she's happy. That's what she is saying. There are so many people you will find. They are very, very good people. Oh, okay.
We have a 20 $20.
Here they are going to give the ticket, and she is the responsible one for that. I think she'll get some commission from that. She brought us to a line where there are less people. She's good. This is so much pretty, so pretty this is. Look at her. Say hi. Hey.
Hi.
Hi. Hey, I made a wish. So much good experience this is.
Okay.
So pretty.
Okay na photo. Okay na photo.
Yeah.
Okay na photo.
Here everyone is saying that they'll click photo.
Shall I remove?
Okay.
Can I remove?
Okay.
And famous lantern festival. Look at the view how it is in the night time. It's looking so much pretty. I can't just show everything on the video. I can't be able to explain it in the video, but you have to come here and experience it. So here we are. So there we took the boat, and this side of the bridge, this is how it is looking. The nightlife is so good. You have to visit the Hoi An in the afternoon. By the evening, this lantern festival will start, and everything is going to be changed. The afternoon look and the evening look will be completely different. They are selling, this will fly, some toys they are selling. I really want to take this lantern home, but it doesn't fit anywhere. They are so good. This one is some food of Vietnamese. Definitely there are going to be pork and beef, so be careful. Here it's like you pay and click photos. They keep all the lanterns, there will be some chair. So 20,000 per person, you have to click your own photo. Let me show you the market from a better angle. It is like a permanent mela. Every day, everything is going to be there. 24/7. Everything is similar markets, but if you want to experience that lantern feeling, then you have to stay after the sunset. That looks more better. Let's go back to that side of the bridge. We will see how it is. We have roamed so much in the morning that side. We will see how it is in the night. It for a better comparison. Now we have reached the other side of the bridge. Let's have a look at it. Look how beautiful it is. Just normally itself the place is so beautiful. With the lanterns it's just added kind of garnish on top of the place. Look at the cafes, the restaurants. The prices are a bit high when compared to Danang, the Han market and Kon market, but for the experience you definitely need to visit this place. Yeah, but the collections are also a bit different when compared to there. I can see different kind of collections here. Collections. These shops are same, normal, but the only thing which is highlighting the place is the lanterns. This is where this place became more famous. We'll be exploring this place. So that's it from the Hoi An, guys. We are heading back to the hotel. If you ask me about the Hoi An, if you are a shopping lover, do definitely visit when you are in Vietnam. Hey guys, so we have reached the hotel. That's the end of day 6 in Vietnam. We are leaving tomorrow at 8 o'clock to Ho Chi Minh. We'll meet you there.